The sum of intercepts on coordinate axis made by tangent to the curve root x plus root y is equal to root a. So let's find first a slope of tangent differentiating with respect to x. So 1 by 2 root x plus 1 by 2 root y is equal to, it's a constant 0. Here dy by dx, that is 1 by root y dy by dx is equal to minus 1 by root x, or dy by dx is equal to minus root over y by x. Now let's find a tangent at a point. To get a point, let x is equal to alpha, so which implies root y is equal to root a minus root alpha, or y is equal to root a minus root alpha whole square. So let's consider the point x comma y to be alpha comma root a minus root alpha whole square. This is the point. Now at this point, what is the equation of a tangent? Tangent equation at the point P, let's say this point P, that is y minus y1 is equal to m into m is nothing but at the point slope, also let's write the point dy by dx at a point P is equal to minus, and the root of this whole square will become here root a minus root alpha divided by root x, that is root alpha. So this is the slope at a point. So y minus y1 is equal to minus of root a minus root alpha divided by root alpha times x minus x1 into x minus alpha. This is an equation of a tangent, and since we need the intercepts, to get x intercept we put y is equal to 0, and to get y intercept we put x is equal to 0. Here y is equal to 0, here x is equal to 0. Let's put first y is equal to 0. So we'll get minus of root a minus root alpha whole square is equal to minus of root a minus root alpha divided by root alpha into x minus alpha. So here 1 times root of a minus alpha, 1 time get cancelled, so minus of minus get cancelled, so we can remove, and we can write directly x minus alpha is equal to, just to cross multiplication, root of a alpha, root alpha into root alpha will become alpha, so which implies x is equal to root of a alpha. Means we got on x-axis the point root a alpha comma 0. This is one point on x-axis. So similarly we'll do for y-intercept. Put x is equal to 0. Put x is equal to 0 in tangent equation. So this is tangent equation. So we'll get y minus of root a minus root alpha whole square is equal to minus of root a minus root alpha upon root alpha into 0 minus alpha minus alpha. Or we can add y minus of root a minus root alpha whole square is equal to minus of minus plus root a minus root alpha into this alpha, we can root alpha and alpha get cancelled, and we will get root alpha here. So which is equal to, this can also be written root a alpha minus alpha, and bringing this side y is equal to root of a minus alpha whole square, let us write here. So that is a plus alpha minus 2 root a alpha plus root a alpha minus alpha. This is a minus b whole square. So alpha alpha gets cancelled. This is a minus 2 plus 1, that is minus 1 times of root of a alpha. So this is y-intercept, this is x-intercept. And our question is to find the sum of the intercepts on coordinate axis. So sum of intercepts, say this is y-intercept is equal to b and this is x-intercept is a. So we need to find the intercepts like a plus b. Okay, already a is given, so let's not use this. Sum of intercepts, which is equal to root of a alpha plus a minus root of a alpha, which is equal to a. So we can go with an option. First option is the answer.